This question is asking us to graph the function -2 times the absolute value of x minus 1 plus 3. So we're going to look at the toolkit graph, which would be an absolute value. That typically looks like this. And then from there, let's go ahead and start adding the extra components. So we've got a -2, which means it's going to go down fairly steeply. The next one is going to be a -1, so that's going to shift it 1 to the right. So now it's going to be something like this. And then the next part is to add the 3 on the end. So that's going to shift it up 3. So it's going to look something like this. And our new point up here is going to be 1, 3. To make this a little bit more exact, I would also find where the intercepts are. So let's substitute x equals 0. That's going to give us -2 times the absolute value of -1. So it's just going to be 1 plus 3. It's going to give us a +1. And we can go ahead and make a chart if we want to. So we've got a 0 and a 1. And then let's solve, let's find the let's find the x-intercepts. So we're going to set this equal to 0 and solve. So that's going to give us -2 divided by -2. It's going to give us the absolute value of x minus 1 equals 3/2. And then from there, let's go ahead and split this up. So we're going to get x minus 1 equals 3/2 and -x plus 1 equals 3/2. So this is going to give us x equals 2.5. So we've got 2.5, 0, and we've got, let's do 2/2 minus 3/2 equals x. It's going to give us -1/2 or -0.5. So we just want to make sure that our graph would represent this. So let's do 1, 2. That's -2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we've got our top point at 1, 3, and we've got 0, 1. It's going to cross right here, and then it's going to cross at x equals -0.5 and 0. So pardon my graph. It's not quite. It's a little crooked, and then it's also going to cut through 2.5. So right there, about there.